Samuel, what did you make?
Cheese.
Oh, that looks great. What did you put in there? What are you doing? Are you cooking? Can you look at the camera and smile? Smile for the camera. How old are you? Hey, Samuel. Samuel, how old are you?
2.
Yeah, 2. Well, you're almost 2 anyway. What did you make? What is that?
Cheese.
Looks pretty gross. Did you put flour?
Yeah.
And what else? Sugar?
Cheese.
And what else? Salt and pepper?
Puppy.
And what else? Water?
What?
You put water in there? And then you stirred it up?